All right, we're in business, folks. It took a little bit of a while. Recently I've been paranoid about vlogging because I wanted to make sure everything's working, you know, and that I'm actually recording something and that they can hear my audio, because when you're on a motorcycle and you're vlogging, you only get one shot. And say if you take like a 1 hour ride and you're vlogging the whole time, and all of a sudden something's unplugged, like a mic is unplugged or the video is not recording, you just wasted a good hour of content. So I've been just recently been getting paranoid. I think it only happened one time to me ever, but still, you know, it's a pain in the butt. See here, where am I going, dude?
Enemy spotted.
Oh crap. Waiter.com, guys. You got a Prius delivering food. Whoever is gonna getting delivered food by a Prius has to wait at least 3 hours for the food to get to them. So today I'm heading to the Salt Flats, Alviso Baylands. That's where I'm heading. I hiked there one time before, a while back. Not really of a hike, it's more like a nice and beautiful walk. I kind of wanted to talk about just a little small rant about small displacement bikes, like from sports bikes to scooters to there's been a lot of hate about on each other. I want to give you guys my thoughts about just riding in general. Like I said in my very first video, there's outliers in anything you do. Outliers being like, you know, people who want to hate on each other in a specific niche. In terms of talking about motorcycles, people tend to hate on things that your bike is not fast enough. Like I said always before on each video, I always say is to each their own. Whatever you feel most comfortable with, whatever you want to do with your life and your money and any hobby that you make sure you do it safe and you do it right. So if your dream bike is a Kawasaki 250 or like a scooter, or it doesn't even matter, you go get it and you own it. Don't let anyone else tell you otherwise. I myself is perfectly fine with my R3. I will get a 600 in the future. I'm quoting myself now, probably by April next year, so 1 year anniversary of me owning this bike, I'll probably get a 600. Just because you know, I do want something faster, and I would just like a little bit more of a powerful bike. Not that I'm getting bored of this bike, but I do a little bit want more speed. Just respect each other. I notice there's always a lot of back and forth in these forums I'm in and groups I'm in. I see a lot of kind of like who's the top dog in the game. This is more alpha in this is more alpha in that. And I always say I respect anyone who decides to get onto two wheels. I do. I respect them. It could be like a 10cc motorcycle and I'll still respect you. I respect anyone who decides to get on two wheels. Girl, guy, whatever you identify as long as you're a cool person, you're chill, you're all about positive vibes, then hell yeah, get on whatever motorcycle you want and let's ride. And I'm not saying only this just for motorcycles. I've been in the dancing community for a long time too. I break b-boying, break dancing, however you want to call it, and I see this too. Sometimes people don't give you time of the day if you're not good. So I really had to work my way up in order to like gain some respect. But at the end of the day, who are you really dancing for, or who are you really riding for? At the end of the day, it's about yourself. You're doing it for yourself. So know your worth, know your self-worth, and just go on, do it because it's your passion, not because it's anyone else or you're trying to prove a point. But don't start on a 600 or a liter bike if you're a beginner just to prove a point, because that's not what it's about. If you're doing it to prove a point, then you shouldn't even be riding at all, because with that mentality, it's gonna get you hurt one day, and then you're not going to be happy doing it. I'm trying to keep it positive here. I just want to send out a short little message. Anyways, I'm heading out to Alviso Baylands, which is this giant salt flat area. Very beautiful. Smells kind of a little dank, but nonetheless it's a beautiful area. And I'm gonna practice try shooting some cinematic videos today. I brought my gimbal. I'm doing it straight out of an iPhone. I've done some cinematics with iPhone before. My very first video of my R3 mods were straight out of a gimbal and my iPhone. I'm trying to make sure I'm going the right way. Oh, look at this little old barn. Imagine I buy that as my warehouse. How sketch would that be? Man, these buildings look old. Why does it feel like I'm in Santa Cruz right now? So I'm gonna stop by right here real quick, make sure I'm going the right area. BRB, guys. Oh gosh, I feel like every video this happens to me. I was lost, but now I am found. I think I'm supposed to go here. Imagine riding here at night, man. I'd be so scared. Oh, railroad tracks. Is where like the mafia hangs out? Like, is this where they like torture people? Jeez. Park hours till sunset. I guess I'm assuming that's 6 p.m. Let's stop here. Where is it? I want to shoot some cinematics here. Boo, 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 boo. This is the salt flat areas I was talking about. It's quite nice. They say not to go down there because it actually sinks. I remember one time I stepped on the salt area one time thinking because it looks so solid. My like half my legs sank in. So not a good idea. I shot a few cinematic videos. So hopefully you guys like them. Trying to do this like fakey kind of video editing. Nothing like professional or anything, but you know, hopefully good enough where you guys can get the point. But this place used to be like some kind of salt mine, something like that. Look how dense that is. I feel like I could float on there if I just lie down. Dang, wind is so strong. I feel like I'm a little bit done here. Kind of shot what I need to shot. I'm just gonna kind of ride around and kind of do my thing. These little cool doorways enter to a different dimension.
Dormammu, I've come to bargain.
Alright guys, I'm done there. That was a lot of fun. Very peaceful. You know, that's another serene spot. I totally forgot about that. I always remember it in my head to go there, but I just forgot about it. I totally forgot about it. Oh, I love it when it's by the bay or by like flat lands and not many buildings and factories around. It feels so good to ride. Oh, hello Prius. How are you? It's a nice day to cruise. You lucky I want to cruise. I'm just playing. It sounds so obnoxious right now. Like I said, those are the only things I wanted to go over to today. Just a small gripe about people, you know, not sharing the love with each other, not understanding that we all live and breathe the same earth. At the end of the day, we all want a little bit of love in our lives, and if I could spread that positivity to just 1 or 2 people, then my life is complete. I love what I do so far, and I think that's also most important too. Double Prius sandwich right now. Boom, bam, bap, boo, ow. Okay, whatever. That didn't hurt. What hit me? Nothing hit me. Am I on drugs? No, I'm not on drugs. Did I have a coffee just now? Yes, I did have a coffee. You got a problem with that? It's called coffee breaks. Today's been very nice, very peaceful after a hectic school week. I'll see you guys later. What do the YouTubers always say? Please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell for the dang notifications, okay? You're about to catch these hands when you get inside your house, okay? I'm waiting outside. Like I know where you guys live, right? Weirdo. Alright, guys. Peace out. Boom.
With you all summer and after